Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to apply control statement in our Java program. Here the control statement is if and nested if. First let's take a look at the if condition. Programmers can take decisions in their program with the help of control statement. If condition. The if and else allows a single statement or group of code to be executed by when the condition is true. This if and else plays major role in real world program. This is the very simplest and most powerful statement. If you want to apply this statement, you have to know the general format of this if and else statement. Let's take a look at the general form of the if else statement. Here, the if contains the condition and followed by the statement. Same way, else, but else not contains any condition, directly statement. Okay. Here, the if is a keyword. Condition is a statement that returns the boolean value. Statement, which is a single statement or group of statement to be executed. Else is a keyword which also contains statement. Curly braces. You have to use curly braces if you want to use group of statement. Let's take a look at the example of if else, which clears your idea about this if else. Okay, here is the example of if else. Class name is if example. Here the two integer variables a is equal to 30, b is equal to 40, and this is our if condition. If a is greater than b, then system will automatically write a is bigger than b. Otherwise, system will execute this statement b is bigger than a. Let's take a look at the output of this program. Let's compile this program. It compiles successfully. Let's run this program. This is the output of this program. In this program, the else statement is executed at the output. Now, let's take a look at the nested if. The nested if allows a single statement or group of statements to be executed when the condition is true. Nested if contains many conditions. It is more complex than if else. In nested if, it checks more than one condition and executes the statement. If you want to know how to apply this nested if in your program, you have to know the general form of the nested if. Let's take a look at the general form of the nested if. This is the general form of the nested if. It contains if condition followed by the statement. If this condition will true, then this statement will be executed. Else if. Here else also contain the if and condition also. If this condition will be true, then this statement will be executed. At last, else. If all the conditions will be false, then else statement will be executed. To make your idea clear about this nested if, let's take a look at the example. Okay, so here we have the example of nested if. Simply, we have only one variable, which is integer a equal to 30. First condition is if a equals to 20, then this statement will be executed. Else, it checks the another condition. If a equals to 30, then this statement will be executed. Both condition will be false, then else statement will be executed. So now let's take a look at the output. So this is our output. In the output, the statement 2 is executed. I hope now you have clear idea about the if else and nested if.